Hello everyone! There are a lot of ways to earn money with Amazon, and today we are going to focus on Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is an affiliate program that allows you to earn money by promoting Amazon products on your website or social media. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get product links from Amazon Associates. Create an Amazon Associates account. The first step is to create an Amazon Associates account if you haven't already. To do this, go to the Amazon Associate website and sign up for an account. Follow the steps to enter your personal information, website or social media information, and payment information. On this video right here, I give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your Amazon Associates account. Find a product to promote. Once you have an Amazon Associates account, you can start promoting products on your social networks. Go to the Amazon website and find a product you want to promote. Create an affiliate link. Once you have found a product you want to promote, there are two different ways in which you can generate the product's URL. First, Associate Central website. After logging into your account on affiliate program Amazon.com, click on Product Links, found under the Product Linking tab on the black bar. Search for the item that you want to link to either by keyword or identification number, and then click on the Get Link button. To get a short link, click on the down arrow beside the Get Link button and click on Shorten URL with Amazon.to. Second, using SiteStripe on Amazon.com. Now, to install the Amazon Stripe tool, go to your Amazon Associates page and then you go and click on the Tools option, then SiteStripe, and click on Learn More. Once that you have reached the SiteStripe page, make sure the display status is on green. And if it is on, go and make sure that it is already active by going to Amazon.com or .ca, wherever you are, and you should have the toolbar at the top of the page. Search on Amazon.com for the product you want to link to. Click on the item to get the product details page. On SiteStripe, click on the desired product link option. And for short link, click on text and select the radio button beside short link. Then choose options for product link. Copy this URL and paste it into the code on your website or your social networks. Promote the products. Once you have your affiliate link, you can use it to promote the product on your website or social media. You can add the link to a blog post, social media post, or email newsletter. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission from Amazon. And that's it. Now you know how to create product links from Amazon Associates. One very important thing to know is that you have to remember to always disclose that you are using affiliate links and follow Amazon's guidelines for promoting products. With a little bit of effort, you can start earning money by promoting products on Amazon. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.